All right, man, they do have a Ross right here. Some of y'all have been finding all kinds of Mitchell and that stuff, man. I'm gonna check it out real quick. Hopefully this video ain't too long. Damn, is this the one I gotta walk downstairs? I think I have to walk downstairs just for the men's stuff. Dang, dude, all kinds of walking today, man. Y'all making me work for this video? All right, let's go check out sneakers and then apparel real quick. Yeah, not looking good. Not looking good, kind of bare. Do got some colorful Crocs if that's what you're into. Size 8, 8.5. Damn, I was hoping these were some Gill Zeros, but nah, they're not. Superstars, $40. That's pretty decent. These are pretty big. Size 13s. Got some gold toes. Some Guess gold toes. Do got some Champion slides. These look way bigger than a size 8. $8. $8 if you need some Champion slides. That's not bad. That is not bad. $8. Yeah, that's almost free. Yeah, I would not really call this a successful Ross trip. That's why I don't go to too many Ross, because it's not like you find something every day. Got slides right here, victory slides going for 17. Got more of these for 20. That's size 12. And then got a bunch of generic stuff. Ooh, got some Steph Curry's. Steph Curry's. These are going for $50. Oh, it's weird. It says 60 right there, and then they mark 50. Okay, whatever. I'm not really familiar with which Curry this is though, because I don't really know the Under Armour line like that. Checking out the active shorts right here. Not finding nothing. Which one of y'all came here and bought all the good stuff? Because I ain't finding nothing. No Mitchell and S, no Nike, no Adidas. And then in terms of jerseys, that is a negatory. Nothing. All right, man. Going to the next spot. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. We're hitting up some Burlington and Ross because some of y'all have been finding some crazy stuff here for crazy prices. Let's go see what we find. All right, second stop. Hit up a Ross. Didn't find Jack at that one. All right, let's go. This spot just opened 20 minutes ago. Okay. I did peruse the shorts as well as the t-shirt where the jerseys would be. Did not find anything. Let's check out the sneakers. Not finding too much so far. In the size 10 sections. This is an 11 right here. Got some Witnesses going for $40. Play some sports. Some football cleats. Going for $25. Then Guess even just straight up making Crocs, like fake Crocs. What the hell? Grab those for 10. Some Reebok, old school looking sneakers right here, size 9, going for 30. Got some sprinting cleats with no, what is it? Doesn't have any spikes on them. Also does, oh, okay, here's the price tag, going for 20. Infinity Run Flyknits. These are size 13, go for what, $40? That's a really good price, actually. Dope colorway too. Another one of these, size 13. Got a bunch of these Infinity Run Flyknits, size 11.5. Also got a size 14. Okay. Apparently got a ton of these, a size 11.5. The active bottoms and tops I did check here earlier. All they got are these extra budgety bootleg looking jerseys as well as shorts. That's pretty much about it. All right, next stop. I'm gonna try to hit up a few today. All right, Ross, number 2, store number 3. In the section for shorts, all I see are these super generic NBA or NFL shorts. Man, it is a Sunday, which is probably not the best day to go to these spots because they probably don't get restocks and stuff, but seriously, nothing? Dude, got Bucks t-shirts. Well, I don't know what brand this is. NBA brand? Oh, it's that Kind of like more generic company. Normally 20 down to 12. Bull shirts down to $10. That same brand. New Balance hoodie. This is actually pretty dope. This is actually pretty nice. $25 it says, comparable to 60. And I would not be surprised because it's not like New Balance stuff is that cheap. Is that Boys to Men in the background? Heard Boys to Men in a minute. Dude got these Converse basketball sneakers right here. No price. Oh, $40 for those bad boys. I don't even know the name of them. But this is why I normally don't go to that many Rosses, because you have to go to like 10, 15 different Ross to find a few good things. And I don't really have time for that. But I don't know. Fool's been finding Adidas Gill Zeros. They've been finding all kinds of pretty dope stuff, to be really honest. So that's why I thought I'd try. Skechers foamies. Oh my god, everybody's just making rip off of Crocs. $13 for those. Got some Pumas right here. These don't look too bad, to be really honest. Look pretty comfy. Don't see a price tag though. Is that a 50 right there? That's just too much. Got some Converse right here. These look like they're based off of the Chuck 70s. It's at midsole, 10.5, go for $40. It says Family Unity. I have another pair up here. Oh, this is a size 10. Okay. Couple of Superstars right here. The price on these $33 for Superstars. Not too shabby. And then got some black and white ones right here. These bad boys go for $38. This is an all leather one. Got some actual Crocs here, go for $20. Size 11. Got another pair down here, go for $20. Size 11 as well. I did used to get my kid Crocs from these spots because I ain't paying regular price for Crocs. $40 for these Retro Peas. These look pretty comfortable. Pretty dope colorway too. Used to be able to find dope backpacks. I haven't seen any dope backpacks in any of these spots in a while. Alright, not really seeing much else. More Retro Peas right there. Alright, let's go. Let's go on to the next one. Alright, I am checking even the women's section. Just no sneakers. No sneakers at all. Okay, alright. Now it's official. On to the next spot. Store number 4. Let's go. This store has only been open for an hour. No Mitchell and S. I really think the Monday thing. I really think the Sunday thing, that might be it. But I also know you sometimes have to hit up a ton of these spots. $25 for this pullover, New Balance pullover. Not really much else to show you guys here in the apparel section. It's just nothing, man. Nothing. Alright, let's check out the sneaker section. Got some Converse. What are these? The 1 stars? Going for $37. Nice little suede material right here. Okay. Some Superstars right here, super small. Size 6.5, go for $40. Got some Saucony's. Saucony Trail Runners. The Excursions go for $35. Size 10 right here. More of these. Is this like a collab or something? Dial tones. Alright. Some more of these bad boys. What are these? The 1 stars? What are these? It says dial on the size too. Alright. $33 for those bad boys right there. Some Crocs if you want some Crocs with a bunch of flowers on it. Size 10. Airwalks. I remember when these were big. Back when I was in high school, these are heavy as heck. $17 for some Airwalks if that's your thing. More Chucks. $35 for these bad boys. These some Forums right here. Some Forum mids. These are Forum lows. $37.99. Not too shabby. These are size 10.5. Okay. Then, of course, do got the RBX right here. Plenty of Skechers as well. More of these Converse in the bigger sizes. Size 12 go for 37. Nike SBs right here, the alley oops, going for $38. Oh no, I'm sorry, $39.99. Size 12. Superstars, a size 15s right here. No price tag on them. All right, all them other ones open at 9. This one opened at 10. It's currently 10:15. All right, let's go. Last stop, man. Shop number 5. Active tops. No Mitchell and Ness. Do got more of these, the New Balance hoodies, which are pretty dope. Not like the dopest material, but they look pretty fire. $25. But yeah, not really finding much else. The last time, at least, I found those Curry shirts, but dang, really a dearth of really good stuff today. Long sleeve Adidas shirt going for $15. That's a medium. Yeah, man. This is why I don't go to too many of these. LA Dodgers baseball Nike shirt going for $15. That's not bad. That's a large. Another Doyers Nike shirt right here going for $15 as well. That's about it in the shirt section, or in the active wear. I think that's what they call it. In the short section right here. Oh, not right here. Right here. The short section right here. Not much different. Not much different. Not seeing any Mitchell and Ness gear. Dang it. I think Bosco and what is it now? The Ross Boss, the real Ross Boss or something. That fool's scooping up all the good stuff, man. Nothing around here. Starting off in the big section with the sneakers. This is some Reebok's colorway is fire, but I do not recognize the silhouette. Definitely don't recognize the silhouette. These bad boys going for $35, a bigger size. Do got some Chucks. These are humongous. $35 for these Chucks. Oh crap, these are huge though. Some Superstars right here going for $40. Oh, these ain't even no Superstars, man. It's a bootleg ass Superstars. Got Crocs. About these for $10 at Shoe Palace earlier this year. For my kiddo, now he doesn't wear Crocs anymore. Those are what, $13. Size 10.5 9s. Looking bare, hella bare. Do got some Pandas. Not really. Got some Under Armours right here. $47 for these. I don't really know much about these. Look like some hiking shoes or something. Some Stan Smiths right here. Colorful Stan Smiths go for. That's on clearance for $31. That's the clearance price, really? This is the location where I did find the Off-White book. They sold it to me for like what, $20, I think. They marked it down even further from the regular price at $25 because they thought the binding was jacked up, which was funny. We got some more Chucks right here. Some Chuck Taylors go for $40, and that's about it, dude. That's about it. Dude got some decent socks. These ain't bad. Got Bart on some of them and got Homer on this one. That's not bad for $3, especially if you have like the Bart Simpson dunks or something. That's pretty fire. Got some Mountain Dew socks. These are going for $4. Ghostbusters. If you really need Ghostbusters socks. I know Stan socks are really nice. I know these normally go for $10 down to $6. These feel hella premium. That is nice. Yeah, these discount stores definitely a dope place to get some socks, because you really don't want to pay full retail for socks. These are actual NBA ones? Nah, these are some bootleg NBA ones, right? Not bootleg, but like not like the super high-end ones. These are only $22. Okay, they're down to like $7. It's not bad. Damn, I threw on these University Blues. Jordan 1 University Blues for this. Mediocrity, man. Got the PSG Jordan shirt on that I did get for hella cheap. Man. Alright, we're done. I'm done. 5 different stores. Not one thing worth buying, dude. Not for me, at least.